Hey fam, it's your boy Lan here on hashtag Walk with Lan. Ever feel like life is throwing 100 problems at you, but you are only equipped with like three spoons to fight back? Yeah, me too. But here's the truth: 99% of those problems aren't actually big monsters. They are just symptoms of five simple things you are not doing consistently. Today, I'm breaking down the exact five habits I swear by. These aren't fancy biohacks or for our morning routines. They are small, stupidly effective moves that stack up and basically rewire your life. I have been living this system for years through job stress, money drama, mental fag, and it works. Stick around because habit number five might be the fastest mood reset you have ever tried. Let's walk it. Habit number one, use the Eisenhower matrix, but keep it dead simple. Most people waste their entire day on stuff that's neither urgent nor important. Emails, social scrolling, I'll do it later task. The rule, ask two questions. Is it urgent? Needs to happen now or fire explodes? Is it important? Moves you toward your big goals, health, money, relationships, growth. Urgent plus important, do it now. Important but not urgent, schedule it. Protect that time like your life depends on it. Urgent but not important, delegate it or outsource if you can. Neither, delete it ruthlessly. Pro tip from me, my dear viewers. I review my to-do list every morning with this grid on a sticky note. Last week alone, I killed 12 tasks that were just a noise. Saved me hours. Your life gets your life gets 10 times clearer when you stop saying yes to everything, to everyone. Habit number two, do a real digital detox, not just once a year, but daily boundaries. Your phone is literally designed to hijack your attention. Notifications equals dopamine hits, scattered brain, zero deep work. What I do, phone free zones, bedroom, dinner table, first 60 minutes after walking. Notifications off for everything except calls from favorites. Grayscale modes makes scrolling way less addictive. Try it. One check session per hour, max for social, email. Result, my focus went from 12 minutes to 90-minute deep blocks. Anxiety drop. Sleep improve. If apps are running your day, flip the script. You run the apps. Habit number three. Pick one tiny habit and be religious about it. Forget overhauling your life overnight. That's why most resolutions die by February. Instead, 15 minutes, one page read, one 10-minute walk, five push ups, one budget entry. The magic is in the consistency, not the intensity. Small wins compound. Your brain starts trusting you again. Confidence skyrockets. Momentum builds. I started with just one page a day reading. Now I finish couple of books a year without forcing it. Same with finances. More on that soon. You start so small, it's impossible to fail. Then never break the chain. Habit number four, make a stupidly simple financial plan. If you do not know where your money is going, every daily choice is just gambling. My dead simple system, the one I shared in the comments link, track every expense for 30 days. Use an app or just a note. Set Three buckets: needs 50 to 60%, wants 20 to 30%, future debt 20%. Automate savings, investment first. Pay yourself before bills. One weekly 10-minute review. Did I stay on track? No complicated spreadsheets, just clarity. Once you see the leaks, plugging them becomes automatic. This habit alone has fixed more stress for me than almost anything else. Habit number 5: move your body every single day. Exercise isn't about six-pack abs, though bonus. It's the fastest chemical reset for your brain. Endorphins kill stress, better blood flow, clearer thinking. Dopamine, serotonin, mood and confidence boost. I don't do 2-hour gym sessions, 20 to 30 minutes walk, body weight circuit, jog, whatever. Just move. On bad days, 10 push ups still counts. The habit is the win, not the intensity. Do this and watch your entire vibe shift. So there you have it. 5 small habits that fix 99% of life's chaos. Eisenhower rule, digital detox boundaries, one tiny consistent habit, simple money plan, daily movement. The game isn't about massive changes. It's all about small things done consistently. Stack this and your problems start shrinking fast. Which one are you starting today? Drop it in the comment section. I read every single one. If you want the exact financial small habit system, I use the one that changed my money game. And then I'll be posting that one in the future. Okay? Grab it here in the channel. Smash that like if this hit home. Subscribe for more real talk life upgrades and turn on notification so you never miss a work. You've got this. Let's keep cooking. Peace. Hashtag walk with Lan. And of course, thank you so much. And shout out to all our viewers and subscribers. And of course, to our supporters from around the world. Okay, Philippines, United States of America, Canada, Australia, Denmark, Germany, Hong Kong, United Arab Emirates, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, Russia, Russia. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Peace out. Class dismissed. Hashtag walk with Lan.